So the first thing I'm going to do is to go to the File Explorer to create a folder. So you click on the File Explorer. We'll be creating our folder inside the Pathfinder tutor. So you double click on it. Then you come to New. Click on New. Then you click on what folder. Let's call our folder HTML tutorial. So you save. So this is our folder. Double click on the folder. We can see that our folder is empty. So you go to your VS Code. Click on your VS Code. So this is the VS Code home. So you click on Open Folder. So let's look for our HTML tutorial. It's inside Pathfinder tutorial. So click on HTML tutorial. Click on HTML tutorial. Then you select the folder. So the folder is this is the folder here. So we want to create an HTML file. So you come to what? New file. Then you click on here. Then you create your HTML file. Let's call it index.html. So the .html extension is very important because that is what will make the code editor and the browser understand that you are writing an HTML file. So you click on enter, takes you to the File Explorer. You click on it and so put .html also in the File Explorer. Then you create the words. You create the file. So we've created our file. So we are in the VS Code. So we are in the boilerplate. So let's start writing the code. So the first thing I'm going to write is the what? The doc type. In capital letter, doc type HTML. Then you cover it. So you can see we start with an angle bracket, exclamatory mark, then doc type HTML. So the doc type HTML makes the browser understand that we are writing an HTML file. HTML5 file rather. So HTML5 is the current version of HTML. So the doc type HTML makes the browser understand that you're writing an HTML5 file. So the next thing I'm going to write is the root element, which is the word HTML. Sorry, not in capital letter. HTML in small letter. Then you close it. So you can see that once you put the greater than sign, there is a corresponding closing tag here. So that is how HTML works. So in every HTML, if you have an opening tag, you must have a corresponding word closing tag. That's how HTML. But in some rare cases, you may have some code that does not have a corresponding closing tag. So when we get to that, I will give you examples. So the next thing I'm going to write in the HTML, we are going to have the words, the head. So basically, what is in the head are meta tags, which help search engine optimization, and also meta tags for responsiveness of your website, and also there is a title. Sorry, there's a title. So the title basically is the name of your the name of the particular page of HTML. So we are saying HTML tutorial. So you contrast to save. Sorry, contrast to save. So that is the title. So the title usually shows at the top of the browser. So the next thing I'm going to have, you can see as you can also we have head and also body. So the next thing I'm going to have is the word body. So basically the body, what is contained in the body are what are shown on the browser. So anything you write in the body will have effect on the browser. So all the visual things we are seeing on the browser is inside the body. So also we'll be mainly talking about two tags, which are H1 and the heading tag and the what? The paragraph tag. So in HTML we have 6 types of heading. We have 6 different types of heading. So we'll be writing each and every one of it. So you see how the browser renders it. So H1. So we use heading 1 for H1. Then let's call it hello. Sorry, hello. Come to the next one. We have what? H2. Sorry. That's how the browser renders it. We'll see how the browser H2. So we have, I told you we have up to 6. We have 6 basically in HTML. So we have what? H3. The next one, H H4. Sorry. The next one, H5. Hello. And the last but not the least, sorry, what's wrong with this cursor? We have the what? The H6. Let's call it hello. So you Ctrl S to save. Then let's go to our file explorer to open this in our browser. So you go to your file explorer. So it's already here. You can see it has a Chrome sign. This is to what? Shows that this will be opening in the browser. So you double click on it and it shows on the browser. So let me take this away. Let me drag this one to this side. Let me drag this one to up. I'm moving this one. Sorry. I want to drag this one to this side so that we can see what's happening on the right and the left. Now we can see how the browser renders the what? Hello, which is the H1. This is the hello here. So this is the H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. Now what can we notice? What can we see here? We can see that for every, as the numbers is increasing from 1 to 3 to 6, the boldness and the size of the content is decreasing. So the H1 is the biggest, while the H6 is the what? Smallest. And we can see that the heading tags is thick. Now let's look at the paragraph tag. So P, paragraph tag is represented with P. Let's call it this is an HTML code. So you Ctrl S to save, then you come to your browser here to refresh. So you can see that the HTML, the paragraph is thinner and lighter compared to the heading tag. If you look at the heading tag are bold, while the paragraph is light and what? Small. So that's the paragraph tag. So also we'll talk about element and tags. So the H1 is the tag, but when the tag has a content like hello, that makes it a what? An element. This is an element. H1 hello close the tag H2. This is a word. This is an element. Also, this paragraph, the P, sorry, the P is a word tag, but when it has a content like this is an HTML code, any content whatsoever that a tag has made the tag and the content become a word, become an element. So we have a lot of tags in HTML which we'll be looking to when we go through the course. So what you have to do now is to try out and try this in and submit it to the submission group. Thank you. Bye bye.